And you have to remember that just a few years ago, everybody in the mainstream medical community would have thought you were insane if you said that cannabidiol or CBD could treat pediatric epilepsy, but now the results are there. There's been a placebo-controlled randomized trial with data published in the New England Journal of Medicine showing a more than 40% reduction in seizure frequency. And so that's the task at hand. That's the objective for Vitality, is to provide the same type of marked, dramatic result in pediatric IBD and in digestive disorders, and now everyone's a believer. We have a compound in a setting where cannabinoids have clearly been shown to have clinical benefit, and now we've developed a gut-restricted compound that avoids psychoactivity or intoxication, and now we're in the process of advancing those compounds into the clinic and demonstrating that without a doubt for these patients we can really move the needle in a positive direction. It's easy to be excited about this opportunity when there are so many patients and families approaching you. These are people that are faced with conditions that are very debilitating and where there are simply no other options. If untreated, they're faced with surgeries that will affect them the rest of their lives. And today, there simply are no other FDA-approved medications that work. Nearly 50% of patients today are not adequately treated by frontline therapies, or their disease is not able to be stabilized by any FDA-approved medication. And that's really what creates the opportunity for Vitality and for cannabinoids to become a new class of agent that is effective for IBD. And for autoimmune conditions, which are severe conditions where the immune system is attacking your own body, and for disorders like narcotic bowel syndrome, these treatments, they really represent a way that can dramatically change the quality of life for the patient. So at Vitality in late 2015, we made a surprising discovery that has enabled us to develop a novel class of cannabinoid prodrugs that target the GI tract and that avoid psychoactivity. And as a result of that, we've been on this trajectory that in many ways mirrors what was done with CBD for epilepsy that was developed by company GW Pharmaceutical. So for us, there's already that roadmap, that kind of playbook, so to speak. So for patients and their families that are afflicted with these conditions, the part that's exciting and rewarding is that they want a solution now. And so speed is a big part of the equation. There's plenty of compounds that are in pipelines. There's plenty of work that's being done at the preclinical stage that is always going to be 5 or 10 years out. But what we're doing as a team, as a larger group, is to advance these therapies that are available now, and putting them into the hands of patients and physicians, and truly representing a new alternative that could help stave off the lifelong debilitation that these conditions can cause, and to dramatically improve their quality of life. Our team at Vitality has designed proof of concept clinical trials for our agents, and we're planning to initiate those in 2018. And to find out more about the company and about clinical trial opportunities, I encourage you to visit our company website at www.vitality.bio.